Hello, all beautiful and lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Apurva, and today I am here with another monthly spread video for May. I am really excited to show you this month's design. The color theme I chose is yellow. Now let's get started. For the first page, I'll be drawing a plant vine on left and 3 on the right corner. So the reason why I chose yellow color for this month is that earlier I was planning to create a lemonade or lemon based theme since it's summer and too hot here. But then I thought that it would become a little boring. Plus there are already many beautiful lemon based themes all over the internet. So I tried my hands with just the yellow color. Like last month, I'll be going with the monthly log this time too. I did not add events, birthdays, goals and tasks section along with my calendar this time as I am going to use monthly log for any birthdays or events, and I'll be making 2 separate pages for tasks and goals. I added a lemonade jar at the corner to give those summer vibes. I feel like sleep log has been a really good help to me. Even though the time I sleep still needs some improvement, I have been waking up by 7 at least. I guess next time one of my monthly goals will be to sleep by 11. Here I am drawing the same leaves pattern that I used on the first page. I plan to use a single water tracker instead of creating weekly or daily trackers. Sometimes when I missed tracking for Saturdays and Sundays, I tend to leave them empty. So I'm thinking probably this might help me to be more consistent with the trackers. See, bullet journal is all about what suits you the most and what can help you to achieve your goals. It is not necessary that what suits me will probably suit you. And it is also not necessary that what suits you today will definitely help you in the next few years too. Your goals and priorities change, way of working change. So naturally things which can help you achieve what you want might change too. I wanted to give Habit Tracker a little net-like structure. And yes, since this is a dotted grid diary, I am taking full leverage of not using a scale here. As I told you earlier, I created a separate page for goals. Since it's lockdown again and the rate at which the cases are rising, sadly I have not been able to go out for cycling or walk past 1 or 1.5 months. So yes, no cycle or walk trackers this time. One of my goals for this month is to give a lot of time to books. I planned about reading one book a month which failed, so I guess it's time to add it in a monthly goal now. You might have noticed that I haven't used a dot grid journal yet in my past videos, which means I have moved on to a new journal and will probably posting a new journal setup video too. For early updates, you can check out my Instagram page. The link for the same will be given in the description below. If you guys are already following me on IG, you might have seen that I have been sharing January's design for which I didn't upload any video. If you haven't checked yet, I recommend you guys to check it once. According to me, they are one of the most beautiful and creative ideas of mine, and I really regret that I could not share it with you guys. Okay, so weekly planner did not go the way I expected, but it doesn't matter if it's solving its purpose. Now the weekly trackers. Since it was a weekend on May 1 and 2, so I did not put much effort in creating a proper tracker. Weekend for me is doing most of the cleaning tasks or editing videos, designing content, and the most important thing, clearing my phone storage. Reason why I have not been able to create videos on time. Either it be a content idea page or a brain dump page, these pages are very helpful. Brain dumps help you in jotting down any idea or task that comes in your mind and you want to give it a thought, maybe not at the same time but later. Last is our week 2 spread. I used post-it notes again to give a sticky note or a to-do list vibe to it. I pasted them randomly to add some doodles or maybe quotes to it. I hope you guys like this video and my ideas. And if you wish to receive any further updates, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my videos and the designs.